Have you talked to your cousin at the other side of the world and they said it was cold while you found it very hot where you were? What if it was snowing where you were and your friends in another country said they were sunbathing on a beach? Why is the climate different in different parts of the world? The answer lies in the location of the country relative to the sun. Earth is round in shape, and countries along some regions get more direct sunlight than others. Countries near or along the equator, like Brazil and Kenya, get more direct sunlight and have a tropical, wet climate. Regions located further away from the equator get less direct sunlight rays and experience colder climates. On the extreme are both the North and South poles, and they are cold as they do not get direct sunlight even for many months. Can you guess which pole is colder? It's the South Pole. Hope you like this video. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.